Who wrote a pamphlet against the sale of indulgences and other corrupt practices? A. John Calvin. B. Huldrych Zwingli. C. Johanna Tetzel. D. Martin Luther. The correct answer is D. Martin Luther. What period of history do archaeological excavations at early historic sites provide evidence for? A. The Sangam Age. B. The Gupta period. C. The Chola dynasty. D. The Maurya period. The correct answer is A. The Sangam Age. What event led to the observation of 1st May as Labor Day? A. The Haymarket Affair. B. The Great Railroad Strike of 1877. C. The Civil War. D. The establishment of factories. The correct answer is A. The Haymarket Affair. Which year saw the Great Rebellion? A. 1848. Born in 1800. Circa 1806. D. 1857. The correct answer is D. 1857. Which Allied power was joined by China during World War I? A. Britain. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. United States. The correct answer is B. Japan. Which city was founded by Sikandar Lodi? A. Samarkand. B. Sirhind. C. Delhi. D. Agra. The correct answer is D. Agra. In the art of flaking, what was used as a hammer stone? A. Another stone. B. A sharp shell. C. An animal bone. D. A piece of wood. The correct answer is A. Another stone. What specific aspect of Gandhi's methods was tested for mass mobilization? A. Violent uprisings. B. Economic reforms. C. Diplomatic negotiations. D. Ahimsa and Satyagraha. The correct answer is D. Ahimsa and Satyagraha. Which temple is located in Darsuram? A. Vakuntha Perumal Temple. B. Shore Temple. C. Rathi Mandapam. D. Kailasanath Temple. The correct answer is C. Rathi Mandapam. What did the United Nations preamble aim to reaffirm faith in regarding individuals? A. Their economic freedom. B. Their right to property. C. Their political autonomy. D. Their dignity and worth. The correct answer is D. Their dignity and worth. Besides land tax, what other type of tax was mentioned as being collected? A. Tax on livestock. B. Tax on imports. C. Tax on exports. D. Taxes on profession. The correct answer is D. Taxes on profession. Which river's water did Karikalan effectively utilize for irrigation? A. Periyar. B. Thamirabrani. C. Kaveri. D. Vagai. The correct answer is C. Kaveri. Which Inquisition was considered the most infamous? A. The Roman Inquisition. B. The Portuguese Inquisition. C. The French Inquisition. D. The Spanish Inquisition. The correct answer is D. The Spanish Inquisition. Approximately how many Mahajanabdas dotted the Indo-Gangetic plain in the 6th century BC? A. 12. B. 10. C. 20. D. 16. The correct answer is D. 16. Who was captured by the Mughal army along with Kavi Kalash? A. Balaji Vishwanath. B. Shahu. C. Baji Rao. D. Shambhuji. The correct answer is D. Shambhuji. Where is Jaina Kachi located? A. In Thiruparutikundaram temple. B. Close to the present town of Kachi. C. Near the town of Mahavir. D. Far from any major town. The correct answer is B. Close to the present town of Kachi. What is the Trimurti Siva icon illustrative of in the cave temple of Elephanta? A. The geography of Mumbai. B. The power of Chalukya Arikesri. C. The sculptural beauty. D. The life of Rishbadeva. The correct answer is C. The sculptural beauty. What did the entire press in Madras criticize in 1877? A. The founding of Swadesh Mitran. B. The abolition of civil services examinations. C. The appointment of T. Muthuswamy as a judge. D. The reduction of military expenditure. The correct answer is C. The appointment of T. Muthuswamy as a judge. When was the Danish East India Company created by King Christian IV? A. 1757. Born in 1858. Circa 1673. D. 17th March 1616. The correct answer is D. 17th March 1616. What group invaded India after the decline of the modern empire? A. Indo-Greeks. B. Cholas. C. Pallavas. D. Guptas. The correct answer is A. Indo-Greeks. What does Mahavir refer to? A. Buddhist shrine. B. Monks. C. Vardhamana. D. Jain text. The correct answer is C. Vardhamana. Apart from textiles and gems, what other significant material did India export? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Copper. D. Iron and steel. The correct answer is D. Iron and steel. What system is mentioned for a note-writing task? A. Jagirdari system. B. Ryotwari system. C. Zmindari system. D. Mansabdari system. The correct answer is D. Mansabdari system. What was the name of the new capital city founded on the southern banks of Tungabhadra? A. Raichur. B. Hampi. C. Devgiri. D. Vijayanagar. The correct answer is D. Vijayanagar. Which group was immediately after the monarch in the feudal regime? A. Knights. B. Barons. C. Viscounts. D. Great nobles. The correct answer is D. Great nobles. What is absent from the back walls of the sanctums in structural temples? A. Superstructures. B. Pillars. C. Niches. D. Image decorations. The correct answer is D. Image decorations. Where is the tomb with a rich variety of offerings located near? A. Cairo. B. Giza. C. Luxor. D. Alexandria. The correct answer is C. Luxor. Which place is listed among those to be marked on a map? A. Kalibangan. B. Harappa. C. Korkai. D. Mohenjo-daro. The correct answer is C. Korkai. What was the purpose of an interdict? A. To deny a ruler political power. B. To encourage subjects to rescind their ruler. C. To seize a ruler's land. D. To excommunicate a ruler from the church. The correct answer is B. To encourage subjects to rescind their ruler. Which of these is one of the three islands mentioned? A. Maldives. B. Fiji. C. Hawaii. D. Sumatra. The correct answer is D. Sumatra. How did you score?